Hi everyone, welcome back to Gear Dollar Grips. If you're into motorcycles, gear, and all things riding, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into something special, the 2025 Kawasaki W250 Estrella. This retro-inspired motorcycle is making waves with its timeless design, modern features, and affordability. Let's break it down and see what makes this bike a standout choice for riders of all levels. Let's start with the design. The Kawasaki W250 Estrella is a tribute to classic motorcycles. From its rounded fuel tank to the chrome detailing in spoked wheels, every detail screams vintage charm. Yet, it manages to integrate a touch of modernity with LED lighting and an analog-digital instrument cluster. The bike is available in 3 stunning color options, classic black, vintage green, and pearl white, giving riders a choice that matches their style. Under the hood, or should I say the tank, the W250 Estrella is powered by a 250 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is all about smooth power delivery, perfect for city commutes and relaxed weekend rides. It produces around 18 horsepower and 20 Nm of torque, which might not sound groundbreaking, but it's more than enough for the casual rider who values comfort over speed. One of the highlights of this bike is its riding experience. The low seat height of just 735 mm makes it accessible to riders of all sizes. The upright handlebars and well-padded seat ensure a comfortable ride, even on longer journeys. At just 161 kilograms, it's light and nimble, perfect for weaving through city traffic or cruising down scenic backroads. Now let's talk tech. The 2025 W250 Estrella may look old school, but it's equipped with modern features. Along with the LED lights and hybrid instrument panel, it also comes with a fuel injection system for better efficiency and performance. Safety is prioritized with front and rear disc brakes and optional ABS for added control during sudden stops. Of course, price plays a huge role when choosing your next bike. The Kawasaki W250 Estrella is priced at approximately $5,000 in the US market. This makes it an affordable entry into the retro-style motorcycle category, especially when compared to competitors. Considering its build quality and features, this bike offers excellent value for money. Who is this bike for? If you're a beginner rider, the W250 Estrella's manageable power and lightweight make it a perfect starter bike. For seasoned riders, it's a great second bike for casual rides and those who appreciate a classic aesthetic. Whether you're heading to a coffee shop or a countryside ride, this bike guarantees you'll arrive in style. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick pros and cons. On the plus side, you've got timeless design, rider-friendly ergonomics, and a budget-friendly price tag. On the downside, the 250 cubic centimeters engine might feel underpowered for highway speeds, especially for thrill seekers. So, what do you think about the 2025 Kawasaki W250 Estrella? Is it a bike you'd love to add to your garage, or are you holding out for something else? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to Gear Dollar Grips for more reviews, riding tips, and all things motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and stay awesome. See you in the next one.